Guys, it's supposed to be 3 chapters. The rooster and animals were all over there. Right here. Flower beds over there. And again. Very, very beautiful. Just look at this. Just look at this. Amazing. As I said, this is the piece of nature, beautiful nature, amazing interior design. Racha Project building. Okay, palms. And again, amazing flower. Sun is going to down. As you can see, good Instagram places to take the pictures. Okay, I know all of you guys can recognize what kind of blackbird is it. Okay, just look around. Just amazing details, guys. That's why I came much more closer to give you opportunity to take a look over here. Amazing details. Okay, that's it, guys. Very interesting. So this shortcut will save you around half an hour, because according to the navigation, to take around the park from one way or from another way it takes around 40, maybe 45 minutes, but through the park if you will go very fast or almost slowly running, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Maybe for me it takes half an hour or 25 minutes, because you see I'm filming a lot of very exciting things around. And here we go. So I came from there. One fontaine. This is way to exit. And another fontaine. So 3 parts of video for viewing all of the